A few months after the launch of the three-door, the five-door Coupe joins the new Mini family. With extended space and innovative in-car technology, the new Mini Cooper five-door has two efficient petrol engines that deliver the hallmark Mini go-kart feeling. At 4,036 mm in length, 1,744 mm in width, and 1,464 mm in height, the Mini Cooper five-door is almost identical in dimensions to its predecessor. Its wheelbase is 72 mm longer and 172 mm longer than that of the Mini Cooper three-door, giving passengers increased comfort and space. Offered with two petrol engines, C and S, and a choice of three well-specified trims, Classic, Exclusive and Sport. The new Mini Cooper five-door is priced from £24,050 OTR, with first customer deliveries commencing in August 2024. The new Mini Cooper five-door has two petrol engines, C and S. The Mini Cooper C has a 154 bhp three-cylinder engine with 230 Nm of torque. It has a top speed of 140 miles per hour and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 8.0 seconds. The Mini Cooper S boasts a 201 bhp four-cylinder engine with a maximum torque of 300 Nm of torque, acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds, and a top speed of 150 miles per hour. The Mini Cooper five-door features a suspension and damping system for dynamic performance, a precise steering feel, and powerful brakes. Highly preloaded anti-roll bar mounts on the axles ensure balanced body handling. At the same time, selective tuning of the steering and all stability control systems provides a solid experience in all driving situations. Finally, the increased tyre diameter of 625 mm improves ride comfort and driving dynamics. Short overhangs, a small bonnet, a long wheelbase, and large wheels instantly make the Mini Cooper five-door recognisable. Combined with a three-part visual division of a designed body, wraparound window area, and steeped roof mark the iconic Mini design. A minimalist front end with round headlights, an octagonal front grille, and LED headlights that are individually adjustable into three light signatures complete the model's front design. Clear surfaces, flush-fitting tail lights, and a black handle strip with distinctive model lettering at the rear round off the vehicle design. The new Mini Cooper five-door is available in three trims: Classic, Exclusive and Sport, each offering an array of exterior and interior personalization options. Classic trim presents a reduced overall appearance while highlighting key elements, such as the Mini Wings logo, which is finished in vibrant silver. A range of 5 exterior paint finishes, 2 contrasting roof colours and 2 different wheel options give customers maximum flexibility. Exclusive trim offers further customization options, including British Racing Green and the all-new Icy Sunshine Blue exterior paint, Veskin Nightshade Blue interior, a dark interior headliner, and a vibrant silver front grille. Exclusive customers also receive 17 U-spoke silver wheels as standard, with 2 18-wheel designs available optionally. Finally, Sport trim offers sports transmission with shift paddles on the steering wheel, a distinctive front and rear design featuring a high-gloss black hexagonal patterned grille surround and logo, and a rear spoiler with aeroplanes. 18. JCW lap spoke two-tone alloy wheels are standard, alongside black brake calipers with JCW badging. A contrasting chili red roof and red-black bonnet stripes are also available. Inside the vehicle, Sport trim features a JCW black-red dashboard knit, a partially perforated Veshin steering wheel with red accents, and a lidded storage box in red-black knit. The interior of the new Mini Cooper five-door is focused on the circular infotainment screen, characteristic toggle switch, and steering wheel. Behind the steering wheel is a slim head-up display, ensuring all relevant content appears in the driver's field of vision. An innovative use of materials creates a versatile cabin. A specially developed knitting process creates an easy care structure in a two-colour design of recycled polyester that extends across the curved dashboard and into the door panels. The generous space in the front seats and the clean lines give the cockpit a modern look, while the panoramic glass roof ensures a bright and open cabin with room for 3 passengers in the rear. Classic trim offers a 3-spoke steering wheel with a textile band at the 6 o'clock position, black-blue Veskin cloth upholstery as standard across the seats, dashboard and door contrasts, or grey-blue Veskin and cloth optionally. Exclusive trim offers sports seats in Veskin nightshade, blue as standard or beige optionally, while sport trim offers a performance interpretation of the new material concept, combining Vessin and cord in dark night, with red accents also found on the dashboard and door trims. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news and reviews.